What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be doing a series of videos on Facebook ads for beginners. And so in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Facebook ads account. So first of all, we're going to want to go to the Facebook Business Manager website. And you can do this by just typing in Facebook Business Manager in your search bar. So once you're here, we're then going to log in. Now, your Facebook details might already appear. If you don't have a Facebook account, that's fine. You can just create a new account. But if you already have your own account, just put in your password and log in, as I will do now. Alright, so as you can see, we're now in the Facebook Business Manager. So this is where all the magic happens with Facebook ads, researching audiences to target with your ads. There's a lot of different stuff you can do in here. But today we're just going to be setting up your Facebook ads account. So once you're at this stage, we then want to go to the business settings. So we'll head on over here. Now, once we're in the business settings, the first thing we want to do is add any Facebook pages that you may already have. So just click on the Pages tab under the Account section. Now I already have some pages here, but you are going to want to click on Add. So three options will come up. The first option here, Add a Page, is what you will do if you already have a Facebook page that you want to add into this Facebook Business Manager. So just click this button if you've already set up your own Facebook page already. The second option, this is to request access to a page that someone else has set up and they own, and maybe you're going to be running ads on this page for them. It's very typical for like Facebook marketing agencies. They'll use this to request access to someone else's page or a business's page so they can run ads on them. The third option is to create a brand new Facebook page, if this is what you want to do. So maybe there's a new page you want to create that you want to run ads for. So just go ahead and choose the one you want, probably this one if you've already set up your own page. Once you've done this, they should appear here. And then we're going to move on to step 2, which is actually creating your Facebook ad account. So to do that, we're going to then go to the tab underneath Pages, which is Ad Accounts. Now I've already got a couple of ad accounts here, but you should have nothing in here if this is a brand new account. And just like the Pages section, we want to click Add. Again, three options are going to appear. The first option is if you want to claim a page that someone else owns. So maybe a friend or someone has set up a Facebook ad account for you in their name or whatever. You can then use this to claim control of that account. So it's basically claiming ownership of someone else's account that you're making your own. The second option again is requesting access to a Facebook ad account that you don't own, that maybe another business owns, and you're going to be running ads for this page. And then the third option is creating a brand new ad account. So this is probably the one that you're going to want to choose because if you don't have an ad account already, this is the option that will set a new one up for you. So we'll go ahead and click on here. Now, there'll be a couple of things you'll need to do. Just create an ad account name, choose the time zone that you're in, and choose the currency of the country that you're in as well. And then click Next and follow the options. So I'm not going to do that here. We'll just go cancel. But once you've gone through that process, a new ad account should appear here. So you should now have any pages that you own in this section, and you now should have an ad account in here too. So that is those two parts done. So you now have pages set up and access in Business Manager, and you now have your own ad account set up in Business Manager. So now if you head back to the home page, your ad account should appear here, and pages that you've added should appear here. All right, now there's one last thing left to do, and that's to set up your Facebook payment method. Facebook aren't going to let you run any ads if you're not paying them, so we're going to have to do this as well. So just head on up here to the Facebook Business Manager drop-down menu, click on All Tools, and then move over to the billing section here. So once the the billing section opens up, we're then going to want to move over to payment settings. Inside the payment settings section, this is where you can add your different methods of payment. So maybe you want to use PayPal or credit card or bank transfer, whatever method you want to choose. Go ahead and add the payment method here, and then you can start paying for your ads. The other thing you can do is set your account spending limit. So this is probably not a bad idea to do if you're brand new to Facebook ads, because for instance, you could set a budget of say $100 and you can run ads until you hit that $100 limit, and then Facebook will not let you spend anymore. So it's a good way to not let the spending get out of control. Because sometimes when you're running ads, you're not going to specifically set an end date for those ads to end. And if you're not doing that, then you've got to remember to check them, daily, and look at their spending. But to begin with, it's a good idea just to set a limit, and that way you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so that's the video for today. I hope this helped you set up your Facebook ad account. I'm going to be doing a number of different videos in a series of videos that will show you every step of the way, all the things you need to do to be running ads successfully. So go ahead and hit that like button if you got some value out of this. And, I'd really appreciate a subscription. There will be a lot more videos to come. I'll be doing videos on not just Facebook ads, but YouTube ads, general online marketing, and a lot of cool things. So stay tuned for more.